choosing the right bag. Picture this: a carry-on that fits most airlines' size limit of 45 linear inches. That's the combined height, width, and depth of the bag. Anything larger? It's destined for the check-in counter. Seek out a bag with multiple compartments, robust wheels, and a handle that's a joy to grip. Next up, the essentials. And no, we're not talking about your favorite pair of socks. We're talking travel documents, wallet, phone, and charger. A neat little travel wallet or passport holder can be your best friend here, keeping everything organized and secure. And remember, prescription meds, valuables, or fragile items, they belong here, not in your checked luggage. Now, let's talk toiletries. Picture the 3-1-1 liquids rule: 3.4 ounces or less per container, 1 quart size, clear plastic, zip-top bag, and 1 bag per passenger. And why not try solid toiletries like a soap bar, shampoo bar, or toothpaste tablet? They're a space-saving, spill-avoiding marvel. And don't forget the essentials for comfort and hygiene, like a facial moisturizer, lip balm, hand sanitizer, and some wipes. Moving on to clothes. Ever heard the saying, pack light and pack smart? It's about choosing clothes that are versatile, wrinkle-resistant, and easy to mix and match. Layering is your friend here, helping you adapt to different temperatures and climates. Packing cubes are a great way to organize your clothes by type or outfit and can help compress them to save space. And here's a pro tip: roll your clothes instead of folding them to prevent creases and fit more in your bag. Lastly, the extras. These are the little things that make your flight more enjoyable and productive. Think travel pillow, blanket, eye mask, earbuds or headphones, e-reader or book, snack, reusable water bottle, and a power bank. And if you've got kids or you're a big kid at heart, pack some activities or games like a crossword puzzle, coloring book, or a deck of cards. And there you have it. You've just packed your carry-on bag like a pro. Hopefully, this journey through the art of packing has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, a thumbs up would be appreciated, and why not subscribe for more travel tips and tricks? Safe travels, and until next time, happy packing.